Number 5. RiseTech Tello. The Tello drone shoots incredible photos and videos. Camera features 5MP photos and HD 720 videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. Tello has two antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery. Powered by DJI, 4X propellers, propeller guards, battery, micro USB cable, propeller removal tool. Video capture resolution, HD 720p. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. DJI Mavic Mini. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds, 250 grams. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. DJI Fly app requires iOS v10.0, Android v6.0 or above. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Holystone HS510. It is able to use every single pixel, giving you crystal clear photos and film. 4K video at 16 frames per second, 2.7K video at 25 frames per second. Dual satellite connectivity using both GPS and GLONASS navigation systems. Weighs less than 250 grams / 0.55 pounds. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. DJI Spark. Intelligent flight mode, smart, reliable, and incredibly intuitive quick-shot videos with a tap. Detects clearly patterned surfaces with adequate lighting and diffuse reflectivity. High-performance camera, amazing images and stabilized video. Flight safety, worry-free flight in the palm of your hand. 2-axis stabilized gimbal camera. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. 4K/30 FPS video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal. Mini 2 supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission. The G-Fly app requires iOS v10.0, Android v6.0, or above. Max battery life of 31 minutes. Please check the description for details and best price.